Welcome to Engineering Drawing YouTube channel. So given problem here, it is a pentagonal pyramid of base height 30 mm and height 50 mm. So it is resting with one of its base height parallel to VP and near to it. So here it is cut as shown in figure. That means they will be giving both to top and front view. So using the top and front view, we have to draw the development of the lateral surface of the upper portion of the pyramid. So given here it is slant edge. So we have to use this slant edge first. Okay, that is I'll be drawing one vertical or horizontal line with respect to the slant edge length here. So draw exactly 56.14 mm. So after drawing this 56.14 mm, show the dimensions. Show the dimensions of 56.14. After that take compass, measure this 56.14 and draw an arc here. So we have to draw an arc with respect to this length. Consider this length and draw an arc here. Okay, now after that we know that it is a pentagonal pyramid, so which is of length 30 mm. So pentagon made up of 5 edges, so I need to consider that this 30 mm and I have to cut 5 arcs here. Okay, so measuring that 30 mm from the diagram only, cutting the arc, total 5 arcs I need to cut using compass here. So 2, 3, 4. So we can extend this arc. Okay, so measure this slanted length and extend so that we can cut the next arc here. So measure the arc length exactly the same one and cut the arc. Okay, now we join it using a straight line here. I will be drawing with a thin line, that is using pencil, so that when we draw the development complete diagram of it, so we'll get to know the exactly upper portion should be darker here. Okay, so connect all the arc points with that beginning point here with the straight line. Okay, now connect with the base edges here. So try to join all these points here wherever we have cutted the arc, right? From each one of it we have to join with a straight line that indicates base edges of 30 mm. Connect all those. Okay, now we have to cut the, can mention here the dimension. So it is of 30 mm. So mention 30. You can see all the cut points, it is already mentioned on a slant edge length. So we have to measure and cut the same thing. So we can give the naming here A, B, C, D, E, A. Okay, so first we have to measure the arc length of 1 which is there on the slant edge. So measure that point number 1 and cut the arc. Okay, you can cut the number 1 arc on a edge length of A here. Now the same way I'll measure point number 2 and I am going to cut the arc on the B slant edge. Same way I am going to measure the point 3. So it is exactly at the bottom corner, so directly I can mention here. And point number 4 you can measure on the slant edge here. Carefully you need to measure on the slant edge only, because slant edge length we have to consider, because here none of the edge here in the top view parallel to the XY. That's why we have to draw here slant edge length and we have to consider all the lengths on the slant edge here. So now join all these cut points. with the straight line using scale. You can subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Now connect all the points here with the straight line. Okay, now you can see here we have to show upper portion of the pyramid. That means the cut upper portion I am going to dark here. So connect all these points with a darker point. Okay, so this is what the upper portion. So thank you all, thank you for watching the video.